built-in snack dispenser stations can streamline family routines and control portions for children while reducing parental demand. Design the pantry with cereal and snack dispensers mounted at child height so kids can independently access measured portions safely. Choose gravity-fed dispensers for dry cereals and snacks and measured portion scoop dispensers for items like pretzels and dried fruit, so each access delivers a consistent serving. Label each dispenser with the food name, portion size in words like 1/4 cup, and an age-appropriate serving suggestion so caregivers and children both know expectations. Install a narrow counter or recessed shelf beneath dispensers to catch crumbs and provide a place for bowls, and build a pull-out tray that cleans easily and prevents spills from spreading. Add lockable options that use a simple mechanical latch or keyed cam lock for items you want to restrict, and keep the key in a high drawer to balance access and safety. Integrate step stool storage into lower cabinetry so toddlers can climb safely to reach the dispensers. Store soft close hinges and non-slip treads to reduce slips. Common mistakes include installing dispensers too high or too low so children either cannot reach them or can access them unsafely. Fix this by measuring average child reach and placing dispensers where a small child can operate them without climbing. Another issue is choosing the wrong dispenser type that jams with mixed cereal shapes or moist snacks. Prevent this by testing dispensers with representative snacks and opting for wider chutes and anti-bridging augers when needed. People often forget cleaning access and therefore end up with stale or contaminated food. Avoid that by specifying removable parts, front access doors, and removable trays that wash in warm, soapy water, and by scheduling a weekly wipe down. We created BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners plan projects like snack dispenser stations and to connect with local contractors who do this work. We also host a discussion community so our members can share ideas, ask questions, and find contractors looking for work.